River Rhapsody is all about celebrating rivers and cultures around it. We are an exclusive river tour company that not only owns and operates luxury boats covering long stretches on Indian rivers, but also has well-researched itineraries that are a combination of river and land to get the most out of the journeys. Our riverboats are most comfortable motorized and rowing models that have been fabricated keeping in mind the comfort on long-distance river travels. River Rhapsody also pitches luxury camps on the river banks and islets. Our camps are luxury in wilderness that have been very thoughtfully crafted to provide overnight stays and meal stops. Most of the furniture in our camps and at the meal stops on the river banks is styled on 18th century colonial camping furniture and is a mix of luxury, thoughtful design and portability. River sports such as boat rallies, races and river expeditions is yet another area that forms the portfolio of River Rhapsody. And then there are events that are planned on the river and on the river banks that include cultural events on the floating stage, a gourmet meal on the floating restaurant, or a private romantic sundowner on a personal boat. We at River Rhapsody celebrate rivers and river journeys.